Good morning students. Welcome to St. John's online class 7th standard social science period. I hope all of you are well and good in health. ஸோ நீங்கள் வீட்டிலேருந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கீங்க. இந்த டைமில் நவம்பர் 1 வழக்கம் போல் ரெகுலர் கிளாஸஸ் நீங்கள் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்து அட்டன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி நேரடி வகுப்புகள் வந்து தொடங்கி இருக்கிறது. ஆகவே மாணவர்கள் அனைவரும் அதற்காக தயாராகுங்கள். அந்த மாணவர்களுக்கு நல்ல சந்தோஷத்தோடு மகிழ்ச்சியோடு வகுப்புகளுக்கு வாருங்கள். எந்தவித பயமோ எதுவுமே இல்லாமல் உகந்த பாதுகாப்போடு நீங்கள் வருகை தாருங்க. அன்போடு வரவேற்கின்றோம். ஓகே, already you returned the monthly test for all subjects the day before a week. Okay, after a long period we start our online class. So some of the students didn't submit your monthly exam answer sheets. So just now in this video we learn the monthly test, the answers for the questions. Okay, so all the students must watch this video and learn popularly and write the exam. If you didn't write the exam, write the monthly test or write the exam and submit onto our school popularly as soon as possible. Okay, ஸோ அன்பார்ந்த மாணவ செல்வங்களே, அணிய காலை வணக்கம். நிறைய பசங்க வந்து இன்னும் சப்மிட் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறீங்க. இந்த மந்த்லி டெஸ்ட்டை ஒரு வழி எழுதாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு 4 நாட்கள் விடுமுறைக்குள்ளதாக எழுதி உடனடியாக மண்டேக்குள்ளதாக நீங்கள் சப்மிட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் கூட. இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம் அண்ட் அசைன்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே. ஸோ நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் சப்மிட் பண்ணணும். நீங்கள் ஒருவேளை உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கிறதுக்காக இந்த ஒரு வீடியோ வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து போடுறேன். ஒருவேளை இந்த மந்த்லி எக்ஸாமில் ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு அப்படியே உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறதுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து இந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுத்து அந்த ஆன்சர்ஸை நீங்கள் பார்த்து அப்படியே படித்து நீங்கள் எழுதினா போதும், எழுதி கொண்டு தான் போதும். ஒரு நிறைய பேர் வந்து சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. அவங்களுக்கும் இது ஒரு ரிவிஷன் மாதிரி, நல்லா நீங்கள் படிக்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு ரிவிஷன் மாதிரி இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்காக ஏற்படுத்தப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. ஓகே, நவ் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் ஆன் டு த monthly exam social science answer key. Okay, first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Dash an Arab born Morocco scholar traveled from Morocco to India. Dash an Arab born Morocco scholar traveled from Morocco to India. That is D. Answer is D. Ibn Battuta. Battulan இருக்குது. That is not a L, that is a T. Okay, you already know the answer, Ibn Battuta. Okay, second one is, who wrote Prithviraj Raso? Who wrote Prithviraj Raso? The answer is D. Chand Pardai. D. Chand Pardai. Third one is, dash volcano is known as lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Dash volcano is known as lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. The answer is A. Stromboli. The answer is A. Stromboli. Fourth one, Kutralam Falls is located across the Dash River. Kutralam Falls is located across the Dash River. The answer is C. Chittar. C. Chittar. Kutralam Falls is located across the Chittar River. Fifth one is, large deposits of loess are found in Dash. Large deposits of loess are found in Dash. The answer is C. China. Answer is C. China. The large deposits of loess are found in China. These are the 5 questions, 5 answers for the choose the correct answer. For each one is 1 mark. So total 5 marks. Second one, second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. 3.1 grains of silver amounted to a dash. 3.1 grains of silver amounted to a dash. The answer is Jittal. 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 Second one is, dash was patronized by Sultan Nasiruddin Muhammad of slave dynasty. Dash was patronized by Sultan Nasiruddin Muhammad of slave dynasty. The answer is Minhaj-us-Siraj. Minhaj-us-Siraj. Okay. Minhaj-us-Siraj was patronized by Sultan Nasiruddin Muhammad of slave dynasty. Third one is an Italian traveler dash visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. An Italian traveler dash visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. The answer is Nicola Conti. Nicola Conti. Okay. The Italian traveler name is Nicola Conti. An Italian traveler, Nicola Conti, visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. The next one is dash compiled Periya Puranam. Dash compiled Periya Puranam. The answer is Secular. Secular compiled Periya Puranam. The next one, fifth one is the Kandariya temple is in dash. The Kandariya temple is in dash. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Kandariya temple is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. The next one, Rajput style of painting is called dash. Rajput style of painting is called dash. The answer is Rajasthani. Rajasthani. Rajput style of painting is called Rajasthani. Seventh one, who established the first Islamic empire in India? Who established the first Islamic empire in India? Answer is Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori established the first Islamic empire in India. Okay. Next one, the eighth one is the earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument is known as dash. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as dash. The answer is seismograph. Seismograph. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. The instrument name is seismograph. Ninth one. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is dash. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is dash. The answer is weathering. Weathering. The next one, 10th one. A circuit is known as dash in Germany. A circuit is known as dash in Germany. The answer is car. K-A-R. Car. Car circuit in Germany. Okay. So these are the filling the blanks. The next one, Roman letter 3, match the following. Okay. In match the following, first one, breaking and crumbling of rocks. The answer is weathering. Already you know the answer. In the filling the blanks, it also asked the same question in 9th question. So breaking and crumbling of rocks is called as weathering. Second one, abandoned meander loops. Abandoned meander loops. The answer is Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake. Third one, large body of moving ice. Large body of moving ice. The answer is glacier. Glacier. Fourth one, crescent shaped sand dunes. Crescent shaped sand dunes. The answer is Barkons. Barkons. Okay. The answer is Barkons. Fifth one, Vembanad Lake. Vembanad Lake. The answer is Lagoon. Lagoon. Vembanad Lake, Lagoon. Okay. These are the match of following. So, students, these are the one word questions for 5 marks, 10 marks, and 5 marks. So, totally 20 marks. 20 marks you have scored in one word questions. And then fourth Roman letter, answer in one or two sentences. Okay. First question is name any four Rajput clans. Name any four Rajput clans. The answer is in the book, page number 118. Page number 118. In summary, the second line. That means Pratikaras, Palas, Chaugans and Paramaras. Okay. First one is Pratikaras, second one is Palas and Chaugans, and then Paramaras. These are the four Rajput clans. So the second one is define earthquake. Define earthquake in page number 147. In book page number 147. Earthquake. A sudden movement of a portion of the earth's crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. This is the answer. A sudden movement of a portion of the earth's crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. The next one, third one. What is a lagoon? Give an example. What is a lagoon? Give an example. In book page number 160. Page number 160. Lagoon is a shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Okay. The example is Chilika Lake in Odisha, Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu and Vemanad Lake in Kerala are the famous lagoons in India. This is the answer for third question. Okay, fourth question. What is equality? What is equality? In book page number 173. What is equality? Equality is ensuring individuals or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specific protected characteristic, including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, sexual orientation and age. Okay, in the first paragraph only, the answer for this, what is equality? Next one, name the three major types of party system. Name the three major types of party system. The answer in page number 79. Page number 179. And types of party system directly, yeah. Single party system, number one single party system, number two bi-party system, number three multi-party system. Single party system, bi-party system, multi-party system. So this is the answer. So each questions have 3 marks. There are 5 questions, so totally 15 marks. Then Roman letter 5. Answer the following briefly. Each question have 5 marks. Each question have 5 marks. So distinguish V-shaped valley and U-shaped valley. And then the second one is write about the importance of equality. And the third one is distinguish continental glacier and mountain glacier. All have an answer. I give the answer in this video. Now also I give the answer in this video. So students, write properly and read and study properly and write the exam and revised these question and answers once again. Okay. ஸோ எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோ வாட்ச் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. இதில் உள்ள ஆன்சர்ஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் படிக்கிறதுக்காக, மெமரி பண்ணுறதுக்காக, மீண்டும் அந்த எக்ஸாம் எழுதாதவங்கள்லாம் எழுதுறதுக்காக பிரத்யேகமாக எடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்குது. ஸோ எழுதாத ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் படித்து நீங்கள் எழுதுங்க. மற்ற எழுதின பசங்க மீண்டுமாக ரிவைஸ் பண்ணி நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம சந்திக்கலாம். பாய். தேங்க்யூ.